Well, hello everybody and welcome to Chef's Baking Blog on a very hot day again, and because it's hot I'm going to do a very quick recipe so that my oven's not on for too long. And the recipe is going to be some cheese and ham muffins with some sun-dried tomatoes in as well. So very simple recipe, as muffin recipes tend to be. I start off by preheating my oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 170 Celsius with a fan, 375 Fahrenheit, and I've lined a muffin tin or a muffin tray with paper cases. So I'll go on to the ingredients. And for this I have 275 grams, which is 1 2/3 cups, plus 3 tablespoons of plain flour, and that's based on scooping packed flour into a 250 milliliter cup. I have 200 millilitres, half a cup plus 1/3 of a cup of buttermilk, but you could use milk instead if you wanted to. I have 2 medium eggs, which would be large in the USA, 125 grams, 3/4 of a cup of ham, which I've cut into little pieces. And this combined cheese here is 125 grams, which is 1 cup. And I've got 75 grams here and the remaining 50 grams here, because I'm going to use them separately. I have 70 grams, which is half a cup of drained and dried and chopped sun-dried tomatoes. I have 90 millilitres, 6 tablespoons of sunflower oil or vegetable oil. I have 6 grams, 2 tablespoons of chives, which I have just chopped up, 12 grams, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 grams, half a teaspoon of salt, and about 4 grams, 1 teaspoon of caster sugar. So that's all the ingredients, and we're simply going to mix them together, put them into the muffin cases and bake them. And to do that, I'm going to put my flour into a larger bowl. I'm going to add into that my baking powder, salt and sugar, and then I'm just going to stir that around with a whisk to get those ingredients mixed into the flour. That's good. And then into that I'm going to put my ham, 75 grams of grated cheese, and my sun-dried tomatoes and the chives. And then I'm simply going to stir those around to get each of those ingredients distributed into the flour. And with that mixed through quite nicely, I'm going to take my other ingredients, apart from that little bit of cheese. So I've got my eggs, my oil, and if I didn't say, medium eggs in the UK would be large in North America, and my buttermilk. I'm going to whisk those together. And that's good like that. So then I'm simply going to pour that into the dry ingredients and I'm going to mix it until it's just about combined. I don't want to over mix it. And with that mixed, just about combined, I'm going to divide it equally into my 12 muffin cases. And each one will weigh about 78 grams, if you want to be precise. And with my mixture into the cases fairly evenly divided, I'm going to take my remaining cheese and just sprinkle it on the top. Like that. And then I'm going to put those into the oven, and I'm going to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes until they've risen up quite nicely and they're cooked all the way through. Then I'll take them out of the oven, and when they've cooled down a little bit, I'll come back and show you the results. I baked my muffins for 20 minutes and they rose up very nicely. I tested them with a skewer, which came out clean. So I took them out of the oven and transferred them to a wire rack. They're still warm, and I think they're going to be perfect eaten warm, but equally you can eat them cold, or you can sort of put them in the fridge once they've cooled down, and then when you want one you can warm it up a little bit if you want to. So I'll show you what they look like. And I've broken one open so you can see the inside, and it does look very good, and they baked up very nicely. So I'll have a taste of this piece. That's very, very good. It has that lovely cheesy flavour, and I used quite good quality ham, so I can taste that. And then that sweet, almost fruitiness of the sun-dried tomatoes with the slightest little tang. Very good indeed. These would be perfect to have as a quick breakfast, or to take for lunch or something like that. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please give me the thumbs up below and click to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the top right hand corner of the screen there'll be an eye that you can click on, and that will take you to a link for the recipe, and I'll put a link below the video as well, and I'll be back with another recipe in the very near future. So until then, happy baking.